Hi, I'm Luc Bouchard, and this is today's forgiveness declaration, card draw, and reading. Number 20. I forgive myself for believing and thinking that my plan is better than God's. Okay, so for the reduction on this. This is how it all started, believing that we could do it better than God. And it is this belief that continues to keep us separated from God and others. I don't know about you, but I'm getting tired of trying to figure it out all on my own. And that I am getting tired of trying to figure it out all on my own. And you know, as I let control go and as I deepen into trust, it just gets easier and easier and easier because uh, I remember having this thought one day many years ago about the fact that I didn't have to decide alone, and it was a bizarre concept, but it was actually felt like, oh, I don't have to decide on my own. There's actually a lifeline I have that can help me. And that was the beginning of realizing that I don't need to be alone, and that my suffering and my pain comes from the belief that I am by myself, and it's up to me. Now, this image. This was in the Twilliger Dog Park here in Edmonton. It's a big off-leash area, and they have these they have these sculptures there, and this is one of them. And it's just like, what the hell is this? We have a piece of rock, a stone that has been encased in metal, and it's just like, yeah, the rock wasn't good enough on its own. We had to actually put metal around it and put it on a pedestal and put it there. And so this is very on the mark for about the fact that we think our plan is better than God's when we do shit like this. So anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. I'm Luc Bouchard, and if you think your plan is better than God's, well, good luck with that, and I'm sure that you are, there's some challenges that come with that. However, if you decide that you would like to not have to do it on your own and not have to figure it out and leave a legacy or do this efforting, then hand it over to the Holy Spirit. Put your weight on the altar for the Holy Spirit to help you with, and ask to see it differently. All you need to have is some willingness. It's really that simple. Until the next declaration.